Every journey begins in the land, where materials are born. Transformation required patience and time. Every delivery mattered. Nothing arrived in excess. Only then could work truly begin. Before shaping, the leather was revealed. Cleanliness guided accuracy.
Each piece had a destined role.
The sandal's form was born with the first cut. Flexibility prevented pain. Oil was the ancient softener. Hands replaced machines. Conditioned straps spared the skin. Hidden strength held everything together. Friction refined the finish.